Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and going to let the animals out this morning. Our geese are letting us know they're in there, of course. Got our goats, got our sheep, and as always, as you've seen a lot of videos, more babies. Not these guys. Good morning, girls. Good morning. But Oreo, one of our great moms that we have. More babies. I think this is about our fourth, fifth set of babies she's had since she's been here for the last, really only had her about a year, year and a half maybe 2 years. I don't know. Doesn't seem that long. Hey, girl. Got these, she got her little babies here. Hi. Well, you guys don't have to get up. But I'd share it with you. Everybody loves baby goats. Hi, little one. And like most of her babies, just as sweet as can be. Hi, girl. Gotta get out of the goat house here. We have Twixie here, I think, is about to have another set as well, too. Hey, girl. We got this guy with his lovely bangs. A couple of them. We got to get this guy sold here. Hey. Gonna miss him. Him and this guy, too, with their wonderful bangs. Get it from their dad, Bucky, here. Just a little look into our current animals. Or at least a few of them. We let them out in the pasture. We'll go check out the birds. All right. We'll go in the chicken house. Got our mallard ducks. Our noisy geese. Got a nice little egg from the duck. Hey, guys. One thing I have noticed since putting these little solar lights in, our egg production has really bumped up a lot. As you can see, that's actually just 2 days worth of eggs. And you guys are noisy today. Hey, girl. Of course, as always, we have Midge the pigeon in there. She's got her little egg. Let's go out to the aviary. All right, walking out to our aviary. Got our corn growing. And it's just at the right stage. It's kind of nice. Right about dark, come out. And last night, about probably 15 foot into the cornfield there, we had about 40 deer just grazing through there. It was kind of nice to see them. Step into the aviary. Maui's showing off his stuff. Getting ready to do a little bit of landscaping, or I guess aviary scaping, maybe you want to call it, in here. Gonna put a little path. We started a few things in here. Got them a few more perches. Have a sunshade. Give a little break from the heat. We got a sunshade in here, and this is a sunshade for the wall as well that we put up. We have our quail we brought in. The dogs are loving all the quail. Kind of put some buckets down, let them, they kind of go in there, get out of the sun, get out of the, when we get storms. Hey, Maui. Yeah, the gnats are really terrible out here, as you can tell. See Sasquatch running through the field in the distance. Of our guineas. Today's cleanup day for the aviary. Peahens. We got this one sitting on her nest that we made. Being a good girl, she's been on there about 2 weeks, so hopefully we'll have some babies here in just a bit. A few of the chickens we've hatched out this year. That's a look at our current animals, minus the dogs and, well, a couple of them, but that's most of them that we got. It's Matt from McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, enjoy all the animals, please consider giving us a thumbs up. Subscribing to the channel. It's all appreciated, and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.